Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about transpose or transpose function. Before we have learned that we can paste things in different ways. So when I select this, Control C, when I come here you can see I have different options here. So the one thing is transpose. So I just come here and select this cell, right click and come here, this one is transpose and OK. So you can see here I have pasted from the row to the columns. So it's the basic way. So now here I want to use the function. Here I want to create multiplication table. So here first of all, whenever I use transpose function, I should select the entire area. I should select this equal sign transpose. So after that I should select the area I want to transfer here. So I select this and here I cannot just press enter. I should press Control Shift Enter. You can see it works magically. And now how can I complete my multiplication table? So it's also very easy. I just select the entire table. After that I just type here equal sign transpose and here I just select this range multiply by this range, and here I should press Control Shift Enter. Control Shift Enter. You can see the magic. And yeah, that's it about transpose function. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.